A quick question for you. Let's say a capacitor is connected to a battery. Will the capacitor remain in charge after the battery has been removed? Let's try to understand the capacitor from a different perspective. Think of a family. They have a small business which runs pretty well. All their expenses are balanced by the money made by the business. But one day, one of their sons had an accident, and as you can guess, they needed more money. At this time of emergency, they realized they needed to save earlier for this sudden requirement of money. Now let us apply this in learning capacitance. A load, generally at start, requires a large starting current. Just like the family needed the money at the time of emergency. To supply this energy, we need an extra device which can supply the energy. This function is performed by the capacitance. Capacitor stores the electrical energy, and when you need it, capacitor supplies you all the energy it has stored. Capacitor is a conductor which stores electrical energy. Capacitance is the property of the material or conductor to store electrical charges. By definition, capacitance is charge per unit volt. C equals to Q by V. Even though the formula has Q and V, but the capacitance is independent of Q and V. It depends on dimensions and property of the medium. If the battery has been removed, the capacitor will still be charged. This is the key property of the capacitor, to hold the charge. Let's visit our family again. Since now they have understood the importance of saving money, they checked their options of saving. They could save at home, at bank, or through bonds or shares. Similarly, we can store the charge in different types of capacitors. Any conductor can be a capacitor which can hold the charge. Basically, we have three types of capacitors: spherical, cylindrical, and parallel plate capacitor. Out of all the savings options, bank is the best. Similarly, out of all the options, parallel plate capacitors are the best. In the second part, we will discuss more on parallel plate capacitors, dielectrics, and combination of capacitors and their calculations. If you like the video, please share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification button. Thanks for watching.